I something really caught my interest right here. Looking at our daily time frame, we can see dragon tail this dragon tail candlestick, which means buy. And from where this candlestick is coming from, it's coming from this our uh, resistance level right here. You see the big rejection. So I went on the 4-hour time frame. Let's see on the 4-hour time frame. Network is bad. Bad network. Okay. So looking at our 4-hour time frame, we already see a breakout from. We already see the rejection. I mean to say now, where will I be looking to buy? The 4-hour time frame is actually confirming our daily time frame analysis. As you can see, it's actually bullish. Price is actually giving us the bullish order flow right now. So where I took this entry from, I went on the 1-hour time frame, and this is where I saw the entry. Now looking at this our entry, you saw this was this highs, then price gave us the low, price went up again, highs, then price came down, taking liquidity from this low right there. Okay, let me zoom out so you can see. Price take liquidity. Excuse me, what's wrong with my tools? Okay, so price took liquidity from that zone. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, and tap into this our key level right here, this nice key level before going up. It went up and gave us it disrespected this resistance zone. It's our resistance zone right here, and also it has broken past the wick, which has given us another change of character or bullish break of structure. So okay, I'm coming. So this is our bullish break of structure high. Yeah, if I also switch up to the line chart, I think you can clearly see that this high have been broken. So definitely it's confirming our bias. Now this is why my entry was here. If you look at this candlestick very well, we first see price rejecting from this level, right? Price was actually rejecting from this after price broke our resistance level. This was our resistance level that become our support. As you can see, it becomes our support. So price was actually rejecting the level, was actually rejecting it. Unfortunately, it broke to the downside, which make it fresh again. So it has become fresh again. Price went up there and rejected from this bullish candle, but unfortunately it got disrespected again. Now I'm expecting price to come down to the fresh level again before going up. And adding to our another confluence, you can see the order block. We have order block right here. Yeah, this is our order block. So this is SMC with Malaysian support. So my confluence is to have a confidence with this confirming it with liquidity, Malaysian substance with a nice 1-hour order block. So let's see if price comes down, tag us in. Yo guys, so as you can see, price came down and tapped me into the trade, and I'm in a nice bullish momentum, rockets profit right here. So you see, I almost deleted my order after I set the order, because I thought that price is going to from this level keep coming down like immediately. But looking at it, price came down, went up again, and before coming down. Like if you look at the hour, let's see from right here to where price actually tapped me in was a day and 14 hours. I actually waited a day and 40 hours before getting this trade. So it's not about the only to set orders, is to be patient and always wait for your entry, always be disciplined. to allow the market do whatever it wants to do, because I know that there is, first of all, there is a huge imbalance. If I zoom out, I know for sure there is a huge imbalance right here that needed to be filled, and this support resistance becoming support, this RBS level right here, and the unmedicated order block, if you have marked it out already, to be tapped, or orders are there for price to come down and collect much order before going up. And it is what it is, guys. And luckily you can see the trend line, this one bounce, this two bounce, and I was expecting the third bounce, which I actually got. I was actually expecting it from this one, this bounce. I was expecting price to bounce, but price loves, the market is unique, so it loves to do whatever it wants to do. So it is what it is. I'm in profit now. Let me show you guys, for you guys to see. Okay, so don't need to show you guys my profit. So all right, let's watch this video. Let's see if price, and for one thing, guys, I actually reduced my stop loss. I've set my stop loss on break even. I put my stop loss on break even. This was where my stop loss was at. So this was it. So the trade was, the nice 1:7 bridge to reward ratio trade. This was where my stop loss is. 1:6. Right, I think it was 1:6. So I've set it on break even now. So let's see how price actually went there and smashed my take profit. So alright, guys, I just finished contract job for some Monday, and I'm going home now. I came to iron clothes for someone, so I'm done with the job. I've been here since 9 o'clock, and the time is actually after 1, so I'm going home now. So to look for a trading opportunities. So when I get home, see you on the chart when I get home. I just got home now, and I am seeing opportunity on GBP USD, which I want to show you guys on the charts now. So what we are looking now is on the weekly time frame. So you can see the weekly time frame is I'll say, let me see. Look, this is the structure the weekly time frame is giving us a lower low, lower high, a lower low, and a lower high. Price just broke this our current high right here, and it retraced down to this previous. Oh, sorry guys, I'm coming. I forgot to zoom this. So this is the structure I'm seeing on the weekly time frame. See these highs, see this low, price creates a high again, then price shifted structure, so it went up again, came down, and now it has given us a bullish change of character from this one. This is our essentially analyzing I'm doing. So price came down to the extreme zone right here, so now it's going up. In case you don't know why I draw this black line, this is our key level, our weekly key level, which is support becoming resistance, becoming support, RBS. So definitely my bias is actually bullish on the weekly time frame. And also looking at our daily time frame, price is also bullish, so I'll be happy to be looking for long right here. But one thing price is doing right now, price is actually giving us some bearish sign right here, because it has broken this our high right here. Price have broken this our high, so definitely we'll be expecting a pullback very soon. I'll be expecting a pullback, maybe potential pullback, before price will keep on going up right here. And looking at what we are seeing right here, if I zoom in, you see that price have actually come to our OC level on our daily time frame. This is our OC level. Let me bring up the line chart so you guys can see it very clearly. Okay, it's not displaying on our daily time frame because the move is so sharp. So in case you don't know, this is our OC level that price have tapped. So I went on the
which is making price to pull up back. So coming to our 4-hour time frame, what I'm saying, price actually came to the OC level. I think I drew the wrong one. Okay, this is our OC level, because in a higher time frame, a OC level that has been tested is also vague. That's according to the SMRO. So price actually tap into this one, give us this bullish rejection. So this is where my bias really comes from. So I went on the hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, and this is what I've seen. Price actually give us a change a BOS to the downside. So this is our last BOS right here, our last BOS, and this was where price actually came down, giving us a change of character, but there's actually no liquidity sweep. So price came down to this OC level right here. I'll say this buy to sell zone. Also this big came down to medicate this big candle, this bullish black candle right here. You can see before the push up. So what I'm expecting price to come retrace down to this our resistance zone, which is our resistance becoming support before continue the move. And where is my target actually? If you look at the 4-hour time frame, you see that price took liquidity from this top right here, and this candle, this is our order block right here. So this is, if I can mark the whole order block, this is the whole 1 hour order block. So definitely, because price has not actually gone deep into the, looking at our daily time frame, price has actually not gone deep, and it is just the starting of the bearish pullback. So definitely I might be expecting a more pullback. So if I put on my Fibonacci 2 from the starting, you see price has not actually pulled back to anywhere. So we also have a lot of key levels that are still within this range right here, within the green range. So definitely I'll be expecting more pullback. So I won't be putting my stop loss at this side right here. I cannot do that because there's a key level right here. If you observe this key level, there is a resistance becoming support. So there is a key level. Price might just when they tap before coming down. So if my take profit will be here, definitely it is a low probability for me, although the trend is actually an uptrend, but I still want to be conservative with my exit point if I got an entry also. So it is what it is. This is my analysis, waiting for price to come back to our support zone, our previous resistance, which is our resistance becoming support, our ROBS. So my take profit is actually at the order block. If you see our order block, so me refining it, let me refine it so I can have more on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, this is the order block on our 1 hour time frame. And if price is going to go exactly as I've anticipated, it's going to come to this our resistance zone, because if you watch this price, let me just explain something. See price go up, came down, it went up and came down once again. It rejected from this key level right here before going up. So definitely price have come down back again. It rejected and it closes, but unfortunately price broke down. So where this is our resistance level, our new resistance level, this was a support level that has now become a resistance level. So definitely my refinement exit is going to be at this zone right here. It's still inside our our order block. So definitely this is where my entry will be, and my stop loss will be definitely below this our V-shaped level, which is our support level, where price could possibly come back down and goes or back. So we have different key level. This is the key level we have. We also have our OC level right here. Let me move this one so you see. So price have broken to the upside. We have our ROBS. So I'm actually thinking of having a nice sniper entry. Okay, we have our ROBS now, and this is our OC level. OC OC key level. Alright, and we have our V level. It's also known as apex because it is the extreme. So V, right, key level. So we have these three key level right here. So I don't know, my entry is a bit wide, as you can see. Let's see. You can see 13 pip. It's still a good one though. It's still a good one. So I'll be washing, and my take profit will be here. A nice one is to 2. Wow, a nice one is to 3, guys. So let's wash. Why I'm using this OC level is because there's a lot of resistance level right here. This is not actually the one that is more giving me more confidence to put my entry there, but you should drag it to the left. You see there's a lot of resistance there. There's a lot of resistance. Price finally broke it. It has not been retested. Let me go to the 30 minutes and see if price have retested it. Bam, there's no retest, guys. We don't have any retest, so definitely I'll be expecting price to come back down to this our level. But note, guys, if price eventually goes up there before coming down, this means this our entry has been validated. Yeah, our entry has been cancelled, so definitely I will be cancelling my entry right here. So there's two things I'm expecting for price. You see that price right now keep coming down, which I can very see is actually going up, guys. Wow, it's actually going up. So it is what it is. The thing I'm expecting for it was to come down and tag me before going up, but I was late to the party, guys. I was very late. Well, it is what it is. Let's just see how it plays out. So alright, guys, you see that price actually went up there to my take profits area, and remember I said I'm going to cancel the trade once price gets there. So unfortunately I actually canceled the trade, and luckily price actually came back down and stopped. I don't know which people had entered the trade, but stopped me out, but I didn't enter the trade. So it is what it is. I actually know price is going to come down back, and this zone is not going to be strong anymore because the higher time frame order block is actually having more strength than the lower time frame order block. So definitely price actually went to the other block, though it blast through it, took liquidity from there and reverses. So it is what it is. This actually has improved my discipline by 1% and trusting my instincts on my trade. So it's good to keep your promise to yourself. Whatever you say you want to do, always try your possible best to stick to your plan.